I happened upon these paints at the dollar store this morning, and I thought it would be a good idea for us to sit down, take a look at them, and see if they are any good. After all, they are a name brand. So come along and let's test out these paints. I was very surprised this morning. I was walking through Dollar Tree and I went down the aisle where they have the Halloween and fall craft projects lined up. They're little kits. And on a bottom shelf, kind of shoved off in the corner, there was a box holding these paints. They're name brand Delta Ceramcoat paints. There's 3 metallics and 2 glitters. I don't know if there were others available. These were the 5 colors left in the almost empty box that was at my store. And believe me, I will be checking that box every time I go in the store from now on to see if they have other colors. But I had to grab them. And personally, I think we can use a lot of these colors year-round. We've got, metallic paints especially. I love using metallic paints. And the glitters will be fun. So let me show you what I set up to test these, and let's test these, see what their opacity is, see what the colors look like, and just have some fun. So stay tuned. All right, I grabbed a chunk of some of the watercolor paper that I do a lot of my paint tests on. This one's kind of spotted, but that's okay. This is just a quick test. I made a grid. This is not quite a 6-inch square. It's kind of off a little bit, but I just wanted to do something really quick just to see what these colors look like. Now off camera, I did take the plastic wrappers off the lids so that we can get them open. I'm going to shake them really well. And let's look. This one is called Lime Green. It's one of the 3 metallic colors. And I made extra spaces just in case there's more. Now I'll do a first coat of each paint on camera. And then depending on how they look, I might go back and do a second coat after these dry before I come back. Okay, that's a really pretty lime green. It's just the color I would expect from lime green. Hard to see what it's going to look like yet. It is quite translucent. Let's look at this one. This is the black metallic. It's not often we get, like name brand quality paints at Dollar Tree, especially in the acrylic paints. So let's see what their black looks like. This black especially, I'm hoping it's a good paint because I've got some ideas. I've got ideas for that one. Ooh, that's pretty. That goes on pretty well in one coat. All right, and the purple metallic. Let me grab another brush. And it's just purple, dark purple. And there will be photos, close-ups of the samples, the sample swatches once I get them finished on the blog post. So be sure and go over there and get a look. Okay, that's a really pretty color. All right, let's look at the 2 glitters. I expect these to be quite translucent. I would expect glitter in kind of a clear carrier paint. This one is an orange glitter. Oh, that lid's on. Wonder if there's a seal? No, there's no seal. Oh, that's interesting. There was dried glitter paint in the threads of the paint jar. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty much what I expected. I think it's quite full. All right. I will be putting my labeling, using my labeling system later today off camera and labeling all of these so they can go in my paint collection. This one also is slightly stuck, not as bad. Not as much paint dried in the threads, but some. I'm thinking the glitter especially, we need to be sure that we shake it up really well each time we're going to use it. Yeah, much like glitter nail polish. This is going to not really coat very well, but I wouldn't expect it to being glitter. All right, I'm going to let these dry. I'm going to come back and put at least one more coat. Let's see if I can get that evened out better. That is bugging me. Gonna put at least one more coat on, maybe 2 or 3, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like. Well, here is my finished chart, and I love these paints. I can't wait to use them on projects. I'm gonna have to come up with some really fun Halloween stuff for end of September, first part of October with these. But I used 3 coats on everything. The 3rd coat really brought out the shine. I did find that, as I figured, blotting these on worked better, and I think to use these effectively on a project, we'll probably use a makeup sponge to apply them. I'll show you that when we get to projects with them, but these are going to be a lot of fun, and definitely they're worth $1.25. I don't know if they were bottled by Delta to sell specifically at Dollar Tree, but since they are priced with the Dollar Tree pricing, I'm curious about that. Now, I did look on the Dollar Tree app, and they're not on the app. I cannot find them on the app at all. So I'm not sure what's up with that. But if you do see these, I recommend picking them up. They're really fun, and especially the metallic colors. The glitter colors, probably won't use as much, but I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of especially these two. That one, maybe not as much, but the black and the purple metallic is going to be so much fun to work with. So be sure and check the blog post. I'll have close-up photos of these samples so that you can see what they look like. I'll have more information over there. I want to thank you very, very much for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure and hit the like button. Leave me a comment. What kinds of things would you like to see in future videos? And did your dollar store have these? Did Dollar Tree in your area have these? And did you have more colors? I'd love to know if there's more colors to these. If you enjoy my content and haven't subscribed, I encourage you, hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. Thank you very much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.